Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change country or region on your TikTok account. So guys, if you want to change your country or region on your TikTok account, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to go to your app store or play store and search for TikTok. And after this you have to simply download and install the latest version of TikTok app on your device. And after this open your TikTok. So guys, once you open your TikTok, you have to simply go to profile and then three lines button, and then tap on settings and privacy, and scroll it below on your TikTok account. Tap on TikTok account and then go to account information and then go to account region and wait here for some seconds. And from here you can see you can easily select your country or region from here. So guys, you can search here for your country or region as well. So guys, simply select your country and save this information, and in this way you can also change your country or region on your TikTok account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.